After ng first Holy Communion ng daughter ko, siya yung namili kung saan kami maglo-lunch. And Army Navy talaga yung #1 request niya, hindi na pwedeng mabago. Gusto ko sana i-try yung birria tacos ng Army Navy kaso hindi available that day, sayang. Of course, we had to get the Liberty, ang sarap kaya ng iced tea ng Army Navy. This is my daughter's ultimate favorite here, the cheese quesadilla. Ito yung constant order ng daughter ko dito. Naghati din kami doon sa burrito na in-order ko para busog siya. Simple cheddar and mozzarella cheese yung laman niya sa loob, tapos masarap siya lagyan ng salsa and Army Navy sauce. And a must order sa Army Navy is their Freedom Fries. Crunchy, thinly cut fries na maraming seasonings. Isa to sa favorite fries ng family namin kahit kaming mga adults, love na love to. Sa mga burrito naman nila, I always order the chicken. Unfortunately, walang available na chicken that day, only steak and this adobo flakes burrito. Mas type naming mga adults itong breakfast burrito nila, also known as adobo flakes burrito. Ang sarap kasi niya, may Filipino twist. Imagine the adobo flakes with scrambled egg and rice inside, tapos lagyan ng salsa and yung masarap na sauce ng Army Navy. This is so good. If you have balikbayan friends or relatives na mahilig sa burrito, tapos gusto ng may Filipino twist, this is a must try. Favorite to ni hubby and ni kuya ever since. I prefer the chicken burrito more, but this is my second favorite. For me lang ha, pag-usapang burrito, one of the tastiest is Army Navy. And look, they have bibingka and puto bongbong pancakes. Ma-try nga next time.